What's going on, guys? It's Sneakerhead616 back here with another video, and today we have a pair of orange Lobsters. I'm going to show you guys how to clean them. I know a lot of you guys have these, and it's a very expensive shoe, and you might be scared to clean your pair, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it safely. This pair had a bunch of alcohol that spilled on it, so you guys can see it's like really sticky everywhere, and it stained the actual uppers. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So to start off cleaning, I'm going to be using a medium texture brush with some Rejuvenator. I just filled the bowl halfway, do 2 squirts of it, and that's the solution I use to go ahead and clean. So basically, you can use a soft texture brush or a medium texture brush, but I want to really penetrate, the material and get the staining out, obviously. But you just want to do it in light circles. Use some cold water because the shoes will bleed, and even with the cold water, it'll bleed just a little bit, but that's okay. So I'm just using my microfiber cloth here to go ahead and just pat dry it. Make sure we don't rub anything too much, and just get all the moisture out so we don't leave any water stains or anything of the sort. And you guys can see here, they cleaned up so nice. And what you're seeing there is the actual lobster print on the shoe. So we pretty much got all that staining out. And you guys can see here again, the outsole very sticky with the alcohol. So I'm using my stiff texture brush, just 1 step above the medium brush. And we're going to be using that to clean the entire outside portion of the shoe. And then again, I'm just going to use my microfiber cloth to just dry everything down, because I'm trying to use as little bit as water as possible. Now at this point, you guys can see the shoes are completely finished, and you guys cannot tell me this is not a brand new shoe. Look how simple that was. I know cleaning like this might be intimidating just because of the price factor of the shoe, but I promise you, just follow these simple steps and you will get them looking brand new again. Just look at those and just look how beautiful they are. If you guys want this treatment done to your own sneakers, DM my IG at Draysterations. If you have any questions or concerns, drop a comment, DM me. I'm always happy to help. And if you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.